Okay, in today's tech video, we are going to be unboxing this guy right here. This is the Samsung Premier 4K laser projector. We're going to unbox it and show you guys what it looks like. Well, hey guys, Juan here. Thanks for stopping by my channel and checking out this unboxing video. So today we're going to look at this projector right here, this movie theater projector, and the box. Holy cow, it's much bigger than what I thought it was going to be. As you can tell by the size of my hand, it shows how big this box is. Let's go ahead and open this thing up and show you guys what it looks like. Okay, once you get this thing out of the box, this is what you get right here. They give you the quick setup guide. They give you a couple of batteries here made by Bexel. And here's what the Samsung projector remote looks like. If you've ever owned any type of Samsung product in the past, the remote looks pretty similar to the TV remotes or like a soundbar remote. It's got a contour look to it like that, but it's nice that this one's a different color. This is a white one. Usually they come in black with their TVs and their soundbars. But on here you'll see it's got the home button, play, a back, and then a directional pad here. Microphone button so that way you can talk to it with using voice commands. And then they give you the power cable, which I like that it's not a big old brick or something that's going to take up a lot of room. So that, they give you the user manual, and then this is the size of this guy here. Now for those of you guys that do want to know, and I mean a lot of people who unbox videos, they don't normally put a tape measure on their products. I like to know what size we're looking at. So the actual projector itself is 21 inches wide, and then on the depth of it, we're looking at 13.5 on the depth, and then in case you need to know the height, 5.5 inches on the height. So hopefully that'll help you out in determining what kind of tabletop you'll need or where you're going to be placing this thing. But this is what it looks like. It's much bigger than what I thought it was going to be. Okay, we'll go ahead and take off the wrap here. Okay, once we flip it around the other side, you'll see up here is where the laser projector kind of bounces off. It looks like almost like a mirror on the side there. But on the back side, the ports, right there's your power button. Right here's an antenna in. There's an X-Link cable. Not quite sure what that input is. Here's your LAN cable in case you want to run your internet cable right directly in. And then it's got 1, 2, 3 different HDMI inputs, and one of them being the eARC HDMI. It's got a spot for a USB and then a digital optical cable out in case you want to run like a sound bar or something to this. And then down here is where you plug in your power. But that's pretty much what the back of it looks like. Okay, so this is the unboxing of this projector right here. Hopefully this video was helpful for you. If it was, go ahead and throw a thumbs up on it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I would love to have you back in the next one. Take care.